York Tabletop Show is in full swing, and we're checking out the new collections at the Lenox showroom. Come along with us as we tap industry experts at some of our favorite brands like Kate Spade, DKNY, Marchesa, and Aran to find out the secret to the impeccably dressed table. Let's get started. Lenox is introducing a lot of fashion lines, and you are such a fashion plate. Tell me, if you had to turn your dress and your outfit into a tablescape, what would it look like?
I would probably have white linens, but I would do this color peonies.
Oh, very pretty.
Peonies, that's my favorite flower.
What about your China pattern?
A new one from Marchesa was just gorgeous. The trouble is when you get to my age and you have about 15 patterns, you know, you feel kind of guilty, but for her, I might break down.
You might buck up by another one.
Yes, or I might start my own. How about that?
You should totally do that. What do you and your family do for the holidays in terms of your table setting?
Well, I usually collapse for the holidays. I own a home in the Hamptons, and I flee during the holidays.
Okay, so when you're fleeing, how do you set your table though?
Hopefully with Lenox. I probably own every set of tableware that's ever been made because I must have an addiction for dishware. I think what we stand for is being very different, and is that we can play in so many fields, whether it be contemporary or whether it be transitional or traditional. We have a brilliant design director who I work with very closely, and if we need something in a different genre, he can do it.
Tell me about how you would set a table for the holidays.
Well, for me this year, it's going to be about metallics. A lot of metallic colors, metallic gold, metallic platinum, some copper mixed in there. So lots of sheen, not so much sparkle, but lots of sheen.
Why do you think that fashion colors and patterns translate so well to the table?
Well, because it's personal, and dining is a personal experience. So I think that's why they do mix so well. For me, when you're entertaining, it's about creating that bond with someone. It's a very personal thing to sit down and have a meal with someone, so you want it to be something special.
Breaking bread, very personal.
Bread, it is.
Lenox is now inspiring America to entertain at home, and I am the ambassador to show them exactly how to do that. So I'm sharing my easy recipes and showing them how to make ordinary food look extraordinary using Lenox products.
Give everybody out there one essential must-have for holiday entertaining. What is the one thing they need?
For holiday entertaining, you must have a formal table setting. You know, in life now, we are always so casual. Everybody's running in a million directions. Make the day special. Take out the china, set the table formally, because it really does make a difference.
As you can see, the party's just getting started at Lenox, and there's a lot to see, so don't go away.